The Tab S8 Plus and the Tab S8 Ultra were announced at Samsung's February Unpacked event, among other tablets. Would you like to purchase one? How can you tell one from the other? In this video, we'll be discussing Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Plus versus Tab S8 Ultra. Buying guide. Don't mistake Galaxy Tab 8 Plus to be Tab S8 Ultra. Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Plus. The Samsung Tab S8 Plus was announced on 9 February 2022, but released on 4 April 2022. The Tab S8 Plus is available in pink, gold, silver, and graphite finishes. It comes in two versions: the Galaxy Tab S8 Plus Wi-Fi 7X800, Galaxy Tab S8 Plus 5 GSMX 806. The Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus is a bigger version of the Galaxy S8, with a 6.2-inch Infinity display that spans the whole surface. Due to the screen's increased height, the phone's extra-large screen area is nevertheless reasonably manageable in hand. However, Samsung has switched out the physical buttons with on-screen counterparts to accommodate the larger screen, while also relocating the fingerprint scanner to the rear. The quick and effective Snapdragon 835 SoC powers the Galaxy S8 Plus, essentially identical to the S8 in terms of hardware and software. While the Galaxy Tab S8 Plus is a larger version of the Galaxy S8 with a 6.2-inch Infinity display, the S8 Ultra is longer and wider, but surprisingly thin, and has additional features that we will discuss later. However, the extra room allowed Samsung to include a larger 3,500 mAh battery. Additionally, the camera is comparable to the 12MP sensor featured in the Galaxy S7. More advanced software processing enables it to take better pictures by combining the best elements of many frames. With a world-class processor, additional RAM, and other enhancements, the Galaxy Tab S8 series is built on the excellent Tab S7 series chic styling, stunning screens, and dependable battery life while retaining Samsung's lead in the Android tablet market in 2022. Samsung Tab S8 Ultra, the 12.9-inch iPad Pro, has held the title of largest tablet for quite some time now in the ongoing competition between Samsung and Apple. But the Tab S8 Ultra shows Samsung cranking its slate size up to 11 with its enormous 14.6-inch display. One enormous tablet that, if your workstation or backpack doesn't have a place for this monster, don't even think about getting it. Someone at Samsung has seen the movie Spinal Tap because they took to heart the famous line, "Turn it up to 11," considering its widescreen. This slate is long and wide, but unexpectedly thin, adding to its brittleness, with 326 by 208 by 5.5 millimeters measurements. To cut the tablet in half with your hands seems simple enough. Interesting features, right? Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. You don't want to miss any of our videos. The tablet is pretty hefty, weighing in at 726 grams for the Wi-Fi variant and 728 grams for the 5G model. But that's only appropriate for horror this size. The only option for the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra is one color graphite, a dismal gray. In landscape mode, the tablet's SIM tray, power button, and volume rocker are on the far left top edge, while the USB-C connector is on the right edge. Additionally, there is a 3-pin accessory connector at the bottom.
How interesting!
A glass coating covers the slate's back. The small camera bump with 2 lenses and the magnetic streak to which the S Pen stylus connects are 2 interesting features. The Tab S8 Ultra includes a Super AMOLED display in addition to its huge screen, which we shall discuss later. Although photos are clear with a resolution of 1848 by 2960, note that the pixel per inch count is lesser than that of the other Tab S8 members, at only 240 ppi. The 120 Hz refresh rate makes action appear smooth, and this will be especially helpful for gamers, since many well-known games have 120 Hz options. Furthermore, the recommended minimum capacity for the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra is 10,880 mAh, while for the Galaxy Tab S8 Plus, It is 9,800 mAh. The battery life varies depending on the network situation, usage habits, and other variables. The Tab S8 Ultra has the largest display, measuring 14.6 inches. Additionally, it has a Super AMOLED display with a 120 Hz refresh rate. It boasts of the highest resolution and the lowest pixel density, measuring 2960 by 1848 pixels and 240 pixels per inch, respectively. Although Samsung previously made fun of Apple for putting a notch on some of its devices, the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra features thin bezels, but it's important to note that there is a notch for the front-facing camera. Currently, Apple's iPads do not have a notch. Thus, Samsung is pioneering the tablet notch space. Apple and Samsung are selling in such high volumes, and they're vertically integrated more and more, that it's very difficult for anyone to compete against Apple and Samsung in the high-volume part of the smartphone or tablet market, John Scully says. Despite the notch, the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra's display is its strongest selling characteristic, due to blooming or light leaking, giving some on-screen objects an unwelcome glow impression while viewing high-contrast contents. Since you now know the Tab S8 Ultra with a very large screen, you are probably wondering if you prefer a smaller workspace or display screen. Well, we recommend our video, Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 30 Days After versus iPad Pro Review, to make you stop wondering. Thanks for watching.